you ever wondered why some drummers seem to have this endless pool of drum fills and new drum ideas all the time, but you seem to struggle to memorize even one new fill?
Well, the secret is that they're not memorizing any fills. They're using this one concept that allows them to generate fills on demand. And this concept will make any fill that you play sound amazing. So instead of teaching you 650 random fills, I'm going to teach you one concept that allows you to create endless drum fills on demand. And it's actually super easy, and it's what I'll explain in today's lesson. Let's get into it. All right, so in today's lesson, I'm going to explain the home base concept. And the home base concept is actually something I developed and came up with during my meditation practice. But it's actually a very common musical practice because it's the same as working with a theme or a melody that constantly returns in the song. On the piano or guitar, it's very common. But when it comes to drumming and learning fills, it's usually about trying to memorize a certain fill and then just throw it in a musical situation where it probably doesn't fit the melody that's already in the music. So let me show you how you can generate fills on demand with the home base concept. With the most used chops today, right, left kick and right, left kick in 16th notes. So before we get started, if you don't master the right, left kick or right, left kick patterns yet, make sure that you can play them comfortably and then move into this lesson. So the home base concept works really easy. It's choosing a theme that you repeat and then we improvise around it with single strokes. Yeah, I said it, single strokes. It's that easy. Well, it's not that easy. It will take some time to get comfortable with it, but that's the idea. So let's start with the right, left kick pattern and sometimes insert single strokes. Let's just play it on the snare, right hand as an accent, left hand as ghost notes. All right, that's a good starting point. Once that feels comfortable on your snare, you want to move your right hand around the drum kit, but only with the home base pattern first, and keep your single strokes on the snare. You already saw me move my hands around a little bit because your next step is to also move your single strokes around and keep repeating it in this flow-like state. So you can really see how endless this already is becoming. You can move your single strokes around the kit, you can make your single strokes very long or very short. Work with these ideas and explore these different ideas where you're creating your own exploration instead of me telling you what to do. There is no written language for this. The pattern is right, left kick, and sometimes I play single strokes, sometimes I play them longer, sometimes I play them shorter, sometimes I move them around the drum kit, I play very soft, I play very loud. That's what you do, and that's what you explore with. Now, let's explore the exact same thing, but then with right, left kick. Now, this is a little bit more advanced because your right, left kick is a group of 3 while we're playing 16th notes. Right? Especially when we're playing in 4/4 time signature, right, left kick takes 3 full bars to get back on the 1. But in the home base concept, what we're doing is keeping our left foot on the quarter note all the time, so we know where the pulse is. So with this, you do exact same thing. Right, left kick on your snare and sometimes add single stroke. Alright, this might sound pretty boring, but stick with me because it's going to be epic. Now we can apply different dynamic values to the right, left kick. So we could play a right hand accent. Now using that knowledge, moving our hands around the kit to orchestrate and adding single strokes gives you this. I mean, come on, this is amazing, right? And that's without memorizing anything. You're just playing right, left kick and single strokes, or right, left kick and single strokes. Well, that's really it. Of course, there's more steps in orchestration, dynamics that you have to develop, but this is it. This is the concept that makes the professional drummers sound so amazing and effortless, like they're coming up with the things on the spot, because they do. And they use these concepts to develop their ideas, and because they play with so many different styles of music, which you can also do with these concepts, apply them to music, making everything sound effortless and come out so easy. All right, if this really resonates with you, this is what I teach in my ebook series and my online courses. Find them in the description below if you want to go deeper into this, because it's epic and endless. Like and subscribe because it really helps me to grow the channel, and I see you in the next video.